What are you guys doing? What's going on, huh?
Kiwi.
What are you doing?
Kiwi.
Nana, what are you eating?
Candy.
What are you eating, huh?
Candy.
Why are you supposed to be eating candy in the morning? No. Lucas, what are you doing?
Kiwi.
What are you doing? Are you supposed to be eating candy, Lucas? No eating candy. Don't act surprised. You're the one who put it there. Lana's hiding. Lucas is acting like he has nothing to do about it.